Hello everyone, welcome to part 9 of this series, 100-part series on 100 ways to motivate yourself. Part 9 here is don't just do something, just sit there. Now this one seems a little bit off, because often people are like, do, I gotta do more stuff, do more stuff, do more stuff. And he's saying, no, okay, what you really need to do is just sit there and think for a minute, okay? Let your mind kind of just let it go, and you're going to get inspirations, insights from your subconscious mind about the things that are really going to inspire you, what your true dream in life is. And he has a brilliant phrase here, like really well written, Steve Chandler here, because this is an amazing phrase of saying that in modern society, you're either living your dream or someone else's. Because so many people are living someone else's dream of like, oh, I'm going to just be this employee, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. And for people who have a dream of like, doing things on the side or building to that kind of stuff. Being an employee is great. You can get paid just for giving your time to something. But in the long run, you want to get paid for passive income. You want to get paid to live your dream. If your dream is royalties from books, then you need to get royalties from books going, and all that kind of stuff. A lot of things about our dreams are really important, and we can only have them in the quietest of times. It wasn't until I took a road trip for a while, and I had a lot of time to just kind of listen to some of my self-help material and just sit there and just kind of think quietly for hours and hours on like without end. When I did that for a few days, that's when I really had the inspiration and the insight into what a lot of my life purpose was. And even for somebody who was going after a lot of that stuff, a lot of it is really about being able to sit there quietly. If you're always distracting yourself with noise and this and this and this, then you're constantly just getting the feedback of the ego, not from the higher self or the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is very subtle about, the intuitions and emotions of what success is to you, okay? You really have to listen because the voice of success is really quiet and the voices of failure and negativity are extremely loud. So it's kind of it's kind of like learning to communicate with your subconscious mind, learning to listen to it that can really allow you to do that. And it's best when you can just sit there and be quiet. So don't just do something, just sit there. That's about it for part 9, guys. I will see you next time with part 10. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.